अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल अंबिया वल मुरसलीन अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम इन्ना अर्सलनाका शाहिदन व मुबश्शिरन व नज़ीरा व दा'iयन इलल्लाहि बिइज़निही व सिराजन मुनीरा सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, upon his family and all his companions. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in the city of Makkah in the year 573. This year was known as the year of the elephant. The reason was that in that year an army had come from Yemen to attack the holy Kaaba. They wanted to pull it down. The leader of this army was riding a huge elephant, but Allah sent flights of birds which pelted them with stones and killed them one after another. The people of Makkah had seen an elephant for the first time. The people of Makkah were therefore greatly excited at the sight of the huge animal. Their year was therefore named the year of the elephant. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Father Abdullah, was a member of the tribe of Quraysh. Quraysh were very important people in Makkah. They were looking after the holy Kaaba. Abdullah had died a few months before Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. It was a practice of the noble Arabs to send their babies out into the desert to be nursed. This practice is still seen among the rich Arabs of Makkah. The babies remain there till the age of 6 or 8. They become good in health in the pure air of the desert. They learn good habits there. Here I conclude my speech.